Hello, good afternoon. In this moment, I would like to show you how to label image. After the file is extracted, the Windows v1.8.1, we will have this kind of file. The first is label img Excel file, and one more is data folder. Before we do labeling, we have to see the data folder. Then we need to make a predefined classes. In this example, previously I have mentioned monocyte, lymphocyte, neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil as a subtypes of white blood cell. In this moment, I would like to change to make it simple and easy to understand. I just need to make two classes. In this example, previously I make 5 classes, but for this example, for simple instructions, I just want to mention only 2. There are red blood cell RBC and YBC. Okay, it means that the first label is red blood cell, the second label is white blood cell. Then save it. Control S to save. Then we are go back to the previous directory and open the label img. Okay, it is simple, simpler than other tutorial. Maybe you have to open a command prompt to open the tool by using Python command. But in this moment, I just want to show simply in this step. Okay, we are now in this interface. From this interface, we can directly choose the directory where our picture is. Okay, now actually this is the directory where I save my blood sample. Okay, in Windows we just simple do it like this. Copy the directory, then open again the label img, then click open dir, and then just need to copy, paste here. Okay, then select folder. Then we'll have a lot of picture. Okay, this is the first picture in that folder, and in that folder there are many pictures. We can see how many pictures by using this button: next image, next, or previous. All of the images is indexed here. Okay, now how to label? Simply we can just change the cell format. There are two kind of format when we label image. The first is XML file, and the second is TXT file for Yolo version, and Pascal Forge is for XML file. So we have to change this format to Yolo version. When we see it is Yolo, it means that it is already in Yolo format. Then we can just choose the button create rectangle box. Okay, now I make first is red blood cell. Okay, when we label this, we will see RBC and YBC, WBC. RBC, then I click OK. Then one of RBC is labeled. Then I want to make again other RBC. Okay, then OK. Then I want to make again this RBC. Okay, and again RBC. Okay, or you can just simply click enter, then again RBC. Okay, let's say this is enough for all of RBC that we can see. So we are going to label the next label, white blood cell, WBC. This one, label this, and we just need to choose WBC or white blood cell, then OK. Because in this picture it is only one white blood cell, so we don't need to label other for white blood cell. And we have already mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red blood cell in one image. Okay, then we have to save it by using file and save, then just directly save. It will be automatically in where the image is based on its trajectory. This is for one image. If we want to take a look for the next labeling process, we can click next images. Okay, if the image is already labeled, we can select this, and when we click next image, we will see unlabeled image. So we just need to make a label again, this one for white blood cell, choose white blood cell and OK, and then click again for red blood cell, click red blood cell, OK, and again create red blood cell, enter, then red blood cell, enter, and then red blood cell, which one, OK, enter. Okay, just for example, it's enough for this kind of label image. Then as the previous image, we have to save also the label and save it. Okay, so now we are going to see how the result, and just open your directory, then in this folder in the same directory with the image, we can see the label image. This is the original image and this is the label as txt file. So this label belongs to this image, this label belongs to this image. So this image has label in this file. 0 in this label, 0 means the first label. The first label is red blood cell as mentioned in this file in predefined classes. This is 0, this is 1. Actually this is number 1, number 2, but the number is started from 0. 0 as the first line or first label, and 1 is the second label. Okay, and if we take a look more, we have many images here. If we do all labeling in these images, we will get this kind of file, txt file, after we label it. Okay, when we have it already, it means that our labeling process is perfectly done. Okay, so we just need to continue the labeling process to the next image. This one, this one, this one, this one. And it will be easier for us to label when we use mouse. So we can use scroll up, scroll down, and zoom in, zoom out easily. I think this is enough for this tutorial. Hopefully it can help you to label. And don't be hesitant to ask me if there's some difficulties. And thank you and see you.